It's a lady in London here, and today I want to take you on a self-guided walk of London's Notting Hill. This is one of my most popular blog posts, and I hope you enjoy seeing a video of the tour. As always, you can see the full walk with a map on my blog, and the link is in the description below the video. This video will show you around the route of my self-guided walk in Notting Hill. The stops indicated in the video are some of the main streets, but as you'll see from my blog post and the map, there are a lot more to discover. While you take the walk, remember to be respectful of the neighborhood and the residents, but you already knew that. The first main road you'll come to on the walk is Portobello Road. This road is famous for its market, its colorful houses, and its shops. It's a great one to take some time to explore, especially if you're here on a market day. The next road you'll come to is DENBIGH Terrace. This one's great for photography, but a lot of people stop here. What I recommend doing is skipping the photo ops here and taking pictures later in the walk. There are plenty of colorful houses along the way. Westbourne Grove is one of the most famous shopping and dining streets in Notting Hill, and it's a great place to stop if you want to pop into some stores, get a bite to eat, have a coffee, or just take in the scenery. The next place you'll come on the walk is COLVILLE MEWS. This is a great place to come if it's crowded in other parts of Notting Hill. I'm here on a Saturday and I have the whole place to myself. Once you reach Colville Road and Colville Terrace, you'll start to see a lot more of the colorful houses Notting Hill is known for. These are great places to take in the scenery and maybe take some pictures if you want to. Soon you'll find yourself back on Portobello Road. This is a great place to keep soaking up the market vibes, do a bit of shopping, and then continue on the way. ELGIN, Crescent and the area around it have some of the most colourful houses in all of Notting Hill. This is a great place to get your camera out and take some pictures of the area's pretty houses. Kensington Park Road is a nice alternative to Portobello Road if you want something a little bit calmer and quieter. Either way, you'll soon find yourself back on Portobello Road, where you can soak up more of the market and take a look at some of the pretty side streets. The next street you'll come to is one of my favourite streets in London. The rainbow-coloured houses are absolutely iconic, and there's no trip to Notting Hill that's complete without seeing them. And speaking of iconic streets, St. Luke's Mews is one of the most popular places to see in Notting Hill, not least because it featured in the movie Love Actually. After St. Luke's Mews, my self-guided walk in Notting Hill will take you down some of the more local streets in the area. Once you reach Tavistock Road, your self-guided walk in Notting Hill will be near its end. But there's still more to see in the area, so if you want to go back and retrace your steps, you can. I hope you've enjoyed this self-guided walk, and I hope you get to do it yourself someday in person. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you go, and happy exploring!